Hi everybody. Right now you're looking at the week 1 module, and I'm going to try to give you an overview here of how these modules will work. Now it looks like a lot of information in here, and there is a lot of information in here, but I've tried to organize it in a way that's easy for you to access, and as we go on I will follow a very clear pattern so you'll know where to go when you're looking for certain information. Okay, so each week I'm going to do an introduction video, which you're watching right now if you're watching this. And then I have a module. It's going to be week 1, week 2, week 3, etc. at a glance. And at a glance is just looking with your eyes. So at a glance means you can just quickly see everything that you're going to be doing for the week. But outside of that, I also then pull out, the grammar assignments, the novel assignments. Starting next week, you'll see 4-point reading assignments, but this week I'm replacing that with some instruction on our first skill, annotation. So you'll see this all here. This is like the teaching material, and here, because it's our first week, I'm going to give a talk and during our first meeting on getting started on the novel. But these are some links about the author and a reading strategy. I'll probably go over this in the video, even though these are videos, okay? And then you'll see graded assignments. So these are the things that you're going to be doing 4 points this week. So I have, after you learn about annotation here and ask me your questions about it, I have a practice exercise where you read an article and annotate. We have discussion boards every week. Starting next week, we're going to have 2, one around 4-point and one on the novel. But this week, I'd just like you to follow instructions to introduce yourself. And if you read the directions, you reply to the prompt, and then you find 2 people, you should read everybody, but make sure that you reply to 2 classmates, okay? And I do want to say, this isn't texting, so please don't go, hey dude, what's up, period, okay? Because you're in an academic English class, so use these discussion boards as writing practice and practicing your English, okay? You're going to have a quiz this week on the syllabus, which I'll make sure is out on the home page and visible in all kinds of places for you. Don't be nervous about this. You can have the document in front of you. I just basically want to make sure that you read it and understand the key points. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to ask, okay? So then the last part of the module, the last 2 parts actually, I put answer keys and extra materials for study and practice. So for example, this week our grammar assignments are going to be, we're going to do chapter 1 in Grammar for Writing. I actually have put a PDF of that here just in case you don't have the book for the first week, and I've put it in 2 forms, DocX and PDF, so that you can download it if you don't have the book. But please, please, please get the book. You can't really do the class unless you have the materials. Okay, so here I put some extra practice on the skills that we're studying in this chapter. And then every week there's extra credit, and you can click on these things and explore, but it's called an open discussion, and it's just that you can talk about anything you want, just as long as you're nice, okay, and kind to each other. Okay, this video is getting really long, so I'm going to sign off here. I don't like long videos. All right? Okay, take care. Talk